coming from it's leaking out of this copper. See it? Copper is rotted out. Or that might be brass actually. That might be brass. Go back with plastic. That's probably brass, not copper. Excellent. That's interesting. Yeah, especially in Los Angeles. Yeah. Or California in general. Rotted out.
Did you grow up here?
A sticker in there like that. We got a nut right there. Alright, let's put this back together. Okay, we got 1.25 inches. 1.5 nut right here, or slip joint washer, because the tailpiece is 1.25 inches. And then we just have the ABS nut, trizap. Stick that on there like that. There you go. So I think this is some kind of AC condensate. Because you see that plastic. So I'm thinking maybe the AC condensate rotted this out or something. I don't know. Would make sense. And I think this is copper, dude. I don't know, maybe it's brass. It really looks like copper. I don't know. Anyway. All right, let's test this. Don't see any leaks. You're not going to really get this to fill up very much. Fancy.